Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this next video, we're going to talk about the Ascend drone. And, I don't have too much bad things to say about it. I mean, there's a lot of things I like about it. And if you've seen my previous videos, I've talked about that. I like the price point. I like how nimble it is. I like how responsive it is. I mean, everything about it. I can crash it and, it'll work again. I've had it for over a year now, maybe a year and a half. And I've got a lot of great hits and views on it. So thanks for seeing that. But I'm going to talk today about something I don't like about it. And that's pretty rare when I do that about this drone, because I really do like it. It was like really my first beginner drone. When I fly the Mavic, the DJI Mavic that I have, compared to this drone, the responsiveness and how it works is exactly the same pretty much. The controls are the same. It works the same way. So it was a very, very good practice drone before I got my expensive DJI drone. So I do recommend it to people, but don't use it in the wind. And you're going to see why in this next video. Like I said, it happens very fast, and it goes and it kind of just takes off and it doesn't want to come back, y'all. And I've had drones, if you look at my videos, where they've gotten up and stuck on the roof of my apartment building, and I've lost them in the trees. I mean, it's happened all to me, and you learn by your mistakes. But one thing I learned: if you're going to fly a drone outside, be sure that the wind is pretty calm. It's a breeze, not a wind, not a wind gust. Be sure it's just breezy, a light breeze, and you can fly it. But once it gets to about 10 or 15 miles an hour, you shouldn't be flying a drone unless it has GPS. If it has GPS, it's going to be stable. It's going to stay there because it links up to all these satellites. And when it links up to these satellites, it stays. The wind pushes it and it stays. Wind pushes it and it stays. But if you don't have that GPS, it doesn't know where to stay, and man, the wind just takes it wherever it goes. So I don't recommend this drone in the wind, and this video is going to show you why. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Hit that link notification. I'm posting more now, about maybe twice a week. So if you don't mind, hit that notification so you don't miss any of my videos. And when you go under categories or listings, I forget what it's called, when you see those categories, I have listings for drones, and I have them for like car stereos, and I have them for now I have an exercise channel, walk with me if you're trying to get fit. I try to have something for everybody. So it's kind of like you come to my channel, and there's quite a few things. There's going to be something for everyone, hopefully. So please like and subscribe. And oh yeah, and I also do like GoPros and action cameras, reviews on that. I'm going to do one on my Galaxy Watch real soon. So please like and subscribe and follow. So if you haven't and been here, welcome to the channel, and thanks for being here, guys. God bless and take care of each other, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe, follow and like, and welcome. So today I'm going to do a video. I haven't done a video on a drone in a while, and for some reason this seems to be very popular. This is the Ascend by Aeronautics, and I forget what model number it is, but it's in the description. And it does come with a controller, and it has so you can put your phone on there. So we're going to be setting it up and flying it today and see what it does. This drone, as far as for a beginner's drone, it's about 80 bucks. I got it at Target. It's been a while now. I want to say over a year that I got it, and it's still a very, very, very popular drone to do. Everybody seems to like it. Now, you can connect it to the phone and use it and do video with it. I'll put some videos in the near future of footage from this drone. It's not very good. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not clear at all. But if it's for beginner, if you want to get like say a drone, a mini drone, like a DJI or something like that, it's a great drone for beginners. You can learn how to fly. Isn't this nice background? You can learn how to fly. Let me move back a little bit here and check out the lake I'm at, by the way. I hope you can hear me. But check out that lake, guys. I'll get down here so you can see it. Isn't that cool? So anyways, are you recording? Yes, you are. All right, we're back. So I'm using the DJI, by the way, Osmo number 2. So in case you're wondering, I'm always going to try to say what I'm recording on, and today I'm going to record with the Osmo and see how that works. But this is very easy to bind, okay? This actually flips out rather easy. This way, oh, wrong way. This way. So the front goes first, then the back ones go next. And there you go. Now, just a matter of pressing this to turn it on. And it is, you can see the red in the back. Red is always in the back. Enrique, my buddy, he didn't know that red is in the back like in a car light. Weird. Like on brake lights on a car. And then you press that. Now all I really have to do now is up. See if I can do this together. And down. Look. And it should be ready, but I got to put it down for it to take off. So let's do that. That didn't work because I was holding it in my hand, I guess. I'm gonna try it again. Let's see. There we go. There we go. It's gonna take off. There we go. Interesting. So this booger flew away, and you can't see. I'm gonna turn the camera around, and this is where you have to learn, guys, because I've been getting a lot of people complain that, well, my drone flew away and you said it was a good drone. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's very windy today, guys. Let me show you here. Turn it around. So we're at this park, and if you can see these trees, it's very windy. So why did I do this video? I'm going to tell you why. I have over 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 views on that one drone, and I hear a lot of complaints. Well, it flew in the trees, and it flew over my house. I yet to see again. I flew it up high and it just took off. Well, guess what, guys? Mine just flew all the way over there to that little tree over there. It's too windy. How about that? If it's windy, don't fly a drone. Not a cheap drone. So this video is what I don't like about this drone. Surprise! It's a great drone, but not in windy conditions. So I know that it doesn't fly well in windy conditions. Don't do it. I love your comments. Keep bringing them. I don't mind them. But I'm telling you guys, don't come out to the park or somewhere and expect to keep your drone. It's not going to work. If anything, you should not use your drone in this weather. Hi, I'm back. So that being said, don't fly out here in these conditions, guys. It ain't going to work. If you are going to fly, I'm going to give you a tip. Fly into the wind. It's about maybe 15-mile winds today. You don't want to do that. If it's a light breeze, a breeze and wind is different. If it's a light breeze, fly into the wind, and you're able to, keep it stable. Put it on the highest speed possible, the most powerful, so that it stays in front of you. That way, if it does get a gust of wind, it comes back toward you. So that's like the best advice that I could give you on how to fly a drone. And a lot of people say the same thing. Don't fly away from the wind, fly into the wind. You can hear that wind. I hope you can pick it up on this camera. So that's the lesson of the day, guys. Don't fly into the wind. It's not going to work. Okay? Any questions, comments, please like, follow, check out the videos on this drone. It has a battery life. It says, I think it's supposed to be 9 minutes or 15 minutes. I've gotten it up to almost 30 minutes, guys. Oh, listen to that wind. You hear that? So get it. I do suggest for you to get it, but in calmer conditions. It's a good indoor drone as well. It's kind of big, but I mean, if you got a pretty big living room, you can fly it and you'll have fun with it. So any suggestions, comments, give it to me, guys. Let's talk. Okay, have a good day. follow, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification button. Thanks, guys. Oh, and by the way, I have, you know where it says categories? When you go into your page, I have different categories for different things. Some are just drones, some are about stereos, some are about like my motorcycle when I go and eat and stuff. And I have coming soon, it's going to be a walk with me channel to get healthy. So if you like any of those categories, you can just come to my channel, and it's kind of like a channel that has, you know, different things in it like everybody else does. So like and subscribe and follow, and see you around. Okay, have a good day, guys.